Whoa, what's up guys, welcome to the vlog. Matt here as always. Thank you so much for watching. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. As you saw on the thumbnail, today I'm gonna share with you guys how much I'm making on YouTube. Yeah, and the reason why I want to do that, because the last 3 weeks I got a lot of questions, people saying how long it took me to get at 4,000 subscribers, which I just want to make sure you guys understand. 4,000 subscribers for the YouTube world or space, whatever you want to call that, is not that much. And that doesn't mean it's easy to get to 4,000 subscribers, especially in the car niche where we have a lot of people doing this stuff. My main goal is to motivate you to make videos and make sure you are just having fun with it. If you're gonna do this because of the money, I can tell you, I don't know if you're gonna be surprised with what you're gonna see it. I'm gonna show you my results. Doesn't mean that every single YouTuber make that much money with the same subscribers I have it, or they probably can make more. I don't know. YouTube algorithm works in different. There are many variations when you look at how much each YouTube channel makes. Of course, you gotta consider your niche, you gotta consider all the kind of stuff, but just keep in mind that when we are going to see those numbers, right? Again, by any means, I'm here to brag about it. To be honest, there's nothing to brag about it, and my main thing also is to show you guys is not about the money. I think you're gonna realize that how much I make on YouTube, it doesn't pay basically for anything I'm doing with my cars. Of course, on top of that, we have the camera gear that I'm using here, also the software we need to use to edit, and all the hours we're gonna put into create the content, right? So we're gonna jump in my computer and I can show you guys exactly how it is. Just to give you guys a little background, if you're new to the channel, I have a 2017 Chevy Colorado. That was the main piece that started my channel. Started doing like basically stuff. It was completely stock, and now we got at the point that we have a lot of stuff going on. I still have more stuff coming to this truck, and I also have a 2007 Chevy Corvette that I got like almost a year ago. In May is gonna be a year that I'm with this car. The car was pretty much, I would say, not in bad shape, but it wasn't close to what it is now, and I still have a lot of stuff planned to it. If you didn't watch my last video, make sure to watch, where I replaced the clutch fluid. I gave you guys a lot of updates on it, right? But without further ado, let's go to the computer so I can share with you guys more about that. Normally you upload videos, you are pretty familiar with the YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is where you can see all your videos, all your views, all the average view duration, all the kind of stuff. So here's the main, they call dashboard of the YouTube Studio. So you have your last upload, so you can say how is ranking between your videos, not between the other people's videos. You can see the views if they are up, like you guys not watching my videos at all, so the average duration is down, but the watching time it's going up in 35%. So here you have how many subscribers. Right now I have 4,225 subscribers, and here's the part which gets like, I would say the parts that everybody wanna see it, which is the revenue. Right now my revenue is $238.82. So, but to see that in more like in a deep way, so if you go to analytics, you got looking good, your channel got that many views in the many days. You can range that, you can like change the range and all this stuff. And here is how many views you have per video, all the good stuff. But what I want to look at it's the revenue part. That's the most part, like that's what everybody want to see it. And this is the last 30 days, right? The last 30 days I'm making $238.82. That's how much my CPM is. It's up 6%. Again, and that depends which niche you are posting videos, and depends on a bunch of stuff that I'm not gonna get into here. I just wanna show you guys how a channel of my size, and took me a year and a half. It's gonna be a year and a half now to get me at 4,000 subscribers issue, right? So I just want to show you guys, here's the last 28 days. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna do a custom so we can see how much I made it last year. So we're gonna put January 2019, sorry, 2019 to March, no, to December 2019. That's gonna be our range, so we can see how much I made last year. That's how much I made last year. 2,483.20 cents. I know it doesn't seem a lot, but hey, it's something. But again, it's something that doesn't do like as much, especially when you are in the car niche. What you can do with those $2,000? To be honest, those $2,000 would be enough to buy basically my lift kit for my truck, and not even paying for the labor to put the lift kit on. The wheels and tires I could not afford with that much. You guys know how much I paid it. I have a video about it. If you don't know the video, I'm gonna put a link here on the screen so you can see it, how much I paid it for the wheels and tires. But here is how much I made in the entire year of 2019. I think I start getting monetized back in March, I believe. So you gotta consider that, because you gotta have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours watching time, something like that, if I'm not mistaken. What happened now, I still don't know, because I changed the way I post videos, which means I think after like middle of spring, almost summertime, I start posting twice a week. So just to give you guys more information, I started getting monetized in March, beginning of March 2019, and I started posting 2 videos late spring. Before I was just posting once a week, and now I'm posting twice a week. And that's basically how much you get. Again, it's not that much. Of course, I'm not here to say that it's nothing. $2,000 is $2,000. But if on top of that you put everything you spend on your cars, I'm not sure if that's worth or not. Okay, that's basically a really quick overview how that works. I just want to give you guys an idea, because I don't think anybody with that kind of subscribers ever. I didn't see anybody showing that, you know. And again, you cannot compare with yourself with anybody. If you probably take another channel with the same kind of subscribers, the view is gonna be different, and probably the revenue is gonna be different as well. All right. So let's go back to the garage and just finish it up. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Are you surprised with how much YouTube can make you? So as I said many times during this video, it's not about the money. Those $200, $300 is not gonna pay for anything you're gonna do with the cars. Again, if you're doing for the money, don't do it. Do because you are having fun, and do because you love it. That's the main thing. Do because you love it. I do because I love it. I push myself to the limits to talk with camera, to try to improve my editing, to try to improve the way I talk. I know I have a lot to improve it, but that's just a way so I can push myself to the other level. But if you're doing for the money, I don't know, I'm not sure. And to be honest, YouTube can take you there. You see all those YouTubers making a lot of money. YouTube can definitely take you there, but it's gonna take a while. And as any other kind of investment, you're gonna need to put money down. So as maybe buying a car, buying an exotic car, buying a sports car, buying a nice truck. So you just need to consider that. But if you're doing it for fun, I would say go for it. Be yourself. Don't try to put something out there that you are not, because that's gonna show up in the longer run. That's why I try to be as raw as possible. Of course, I still wanted to keep the quality of my videos, but that's who I am. Sometimes there are things that I don't know how to do, and I will be really clear with you guys, and I'm gonna share with you that's who I am. I'm not faking who I am, not showing you guys what I'm not. What you see, it's what you get. If you meet me, you're gonna see that's what I'm trying to do. What I am in person, I try to be on camera. Of course, sometimes you talk with the camera, you need to force a little bit, showing you are engaged, all the kind of stuff that you're gonna learn on the longer run. I'm a simple guy, still trying to learn, and that's my advice for you. If you want to start your YouTube channel, go ahead. I think the future, it's about sharing experience online, and YouTube is a great platform for it. I'm not by any means a big channel, but it was really hard. I'll tell you, it was really hard to get where I am right now. I'm looking forward for the next steps. I will try to do everything as possible to get at 5,000-10,000 subscribers, but not because the money that comes attached with it, because I just want to share that with more people as possible. So let me know if you have any comments, any questions. I will be happy to help you guys if you need to. All right, again, if you're here for the first time, subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. There's a link in the description below for everything that I did with my cars, and also for my personal business. One thing I mentioned to you guys, just want to reinforce that, is if you buy from the links, you help my channel, because that's also a way you can monetize your channel. So I really appreciate if you are buying from my links. That means a lot to me. You show me your support just doing that, and give me a thumbs up. All right, I hope to see you guys next upload. Again, HardWorkForce is still live, don't miss out, and I'll see you guys next upload. As always, don't forget, work hard for it, and always, even work hard, even doing whatever you need to do, enjoy life.